Hello everyone, welcome back to Manufactory Insights. If you have been following this SAP PPDS learning series, we have already covered what is SAP PPDS, PPDS versus MRP, planning process in PPDS, PPDS heuristics explained. Today, we are moving to one of the most important topics in production planning, SAP PPDS scheduling. We will understand how PPDS transforms plan orders into executable production schedules by considering capacity, setup times, and resource availability. Let's get started. Before we understand scheduling, let's look at the overall production planning journey. Everything starts with the demand. Based on customer orders, forecast, or planned independent requirements, SAP identifies the need for production. Next, PPDS heuristics create plan orders to satisfy that demand. However, at this stage, we only know what needs to be produced. We still don't know which order should run first, which resource should perform the work, is enough capacity available, can we meet the required delivery date? This is where PPDS scheduling comes into the picture. Scheduling analyzes available capacity, setup times, and resource availability to create an optimized production sequence. The result is an executable production plan that can be released to the shop floor for manufacturing execution. So in simple terms, planning creates orders, scheduling creates a realistic production schedule. Many SAP users confuse planning and scheduling, but they serve different purposes. Planning determines what needs to be produced. Scheduling determines when, where, and in what sequence production should occur. Demand generates requirements. Heuristics create plan orders. Scheduling then assigns realistic dates and times while considering resource constraints. Only after scheduling, we get a production plan that can actually be executed on the shop floor. That's why scheduling is one of the most critical functions in SAP PPDS. To understand PPDS scheduling, we first need to understand the difference between infinite and finite scheduling. Infinite scheduling assumes unlimited capacity. Orders are scheduled without checking whether the resource can actually perform the work. This is typically how MRP behaves. But finite scheduling works differently. PPDS checks actual resource availability and capacity before confirming a schedule. If capacity is unavailable, PPDS identifies conflicts and help planners resolve them. This makes finite scheduling far more realistic for manufacturing operations. SAP PPDS supports both forward and backward scheduling. Forward scheduling starts from today or from the earliest available date and calculates the completion date. The backward scheduling starts from the required delivery date and works backward to determine the production start date. Forward scheduling is commonly used when maximizing resource utilization. Backward scheduling is often used when meeting customer due dates is the primary objective. Both approaches are important and can be selected based on business requirements. Let's look at the overall scheduling process. First, demand creates requirements. Next, heuristics generate supply proposal and plan orders. PPDS scheduling then assigns dates and times to those orders. Finally, a feasible production schedule is generated for execution. This process ensures that production plans are realistic and aligned with actual manufacturing capabilities. Let's consider a simple example. Suppose a production resource has 8 hours of available capacity. Order A requires 5 hours, order B requires 4 hours. Together, they require 9 hours. Since only 8 hours are available, the resource becomes overloaded. This is exactly the type of situation PPDS scheduling helps identify. Instead of ignoring the constraint, PPDS highlights the overload and allows planners to take corrective actions. When overload occurs, PPDS provides several options. The planner can move an order to another date. The planner can use an alternative resource if available. The order can be split into multiple orders, or the schedule can be completely resequenced. These capabilities help maintain feasible schedules while minimizing the impact on delivery commitments. This is one of the biggest advantages of PPDS compared to traditional planning approaches. One of the most powerful tools in PPDS is the planning board. The planning board provides a graphical view of orders and resources. Planners can visualize workloads, identify bottlenecks, and make adjustments using simple drag and drop. It allows real-time scheduling decisions and immediate visibility of the impact of changes. For many PPDS users, the planning board becomes the primary workspace for daily production scheduling activities. Now let's compare scheduling with traditional MRP. MRP focuses primarily on materials. It determines what needs to be produced. But PPDS scheduling focuses on resources and capacity. It determines how and when production should occur. MRP assumes capacity is available. PPDS validates capacity and creates realistic schedules. In simple terms, MRP answers the question, what should we produce? PPDS scheduling answers, how and when should we produce it? Together, they create a complete production planning solution. Let's summarize what we have learned. Scheduling converts planning proposals into executable production schedules. PPDS considers capacity, setup times, and resource availability. Finite scheduling helps create realistic plans. The planning board provides visibility and control over production schedules. And most importantly, PPDS bridges the gap between planning and shop floor execution. Remember, creating a plan order is easy. Creating an executable production schedule is the real challenge. And that is exactly where SAP PPDS scheduling delivers value. If you found this video useful, please support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. What scheduling challenges have you encountered in your SAP PPDS projects? Share your experience in the comments below. You can also reach me at manufactory.insights@gmail.com. Thank you for watching Manufactory Insights. I will see you in the next video.